Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about linear equations and how to solve them. So our first example, we're going to work with 5x minus 4 equals 3. Now this whole process is getting like terms on each side of the equation symbol. So we are going to add 4 to the negative 4 on both sides, which will then cancel out the 4 and leave us with 5x equals 7. Now that way we have all numbers with x and all real numbers on different sides. Now we can go ahead and simplify by dividing by 5 on both sides, and that'll leave us with x equals 7 over 5, and that is the final answer. So let's go through a couple more. So we got 4x minus 2 equals 5x plus 12. So it's going to take a couple steps here, but we're going to start bringing everything to each side. So we'll start by adding 2 to both sides, which will cancel out that negative 2, which will leave us with 4x equals 5x plus 12 plus 14. My bad. And now we're going to get our x's on the same side. So we'll go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides, which will leave us with a negative x equals 14. And again, we want to get that as simple as we can. So we're going to divide by negative 1 on both sides, which will leave us with an x equals a positive 14. Negative 14. My bad. And that's it for that one. So we'll go through one more that's a little longer. I recommend taking a minute and trying to solve this one before we work through it. So we got 5 minus 2 times 2x plus 3 equals 8 times 4x minus 1 minus 4. Now the first step is to multiply this out. So we're going to take our 2 times our 2x plus 3 and multiply that out, as well as the same with 8 and 4x minus 1. So that leaves us with 5 minus 4x plus 6, which equals 32x minus 8 minus 4. So now we got to start getting like terms on the same side. So the first thing we can do is simplify. So we have on the left side of the equation, we have that 5 and positive 6. That positive 6 is supposed to be a negative 6, which implies into negative 4x minus 1. And on the other side, we have our 32x minus 12. Now that we've fully simplified it, we can start canceling out some numbers. So we're going to go ahead by adding 4x to both sides, which cancels out that 4x, which leaves us with negative 1 equals 36x minus 12. Now if we go ahead and add 12 to both sides, cancel out that negative 12 and leave us with 11 equals 36x. If we divide 36 on both sides, I'll simplify our equation all the way down, and we will have 11 over 36 equals x. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and please like the video.